Hey mate, what are we doing today?
We hit 10,000 subscribers.
Really? 10,000 subscribers? And on which channel?
On our YouTube channel.
Wow, this is great. I have to look it up. Honestly, really? We've reached the 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Wow, this is really impressive. Look at that. We have great news. The Dlubal community keeps growing. And a few days ago, our English YouTube channel exceeded 10,000 subscribers. This is a huge moment for us. We would like to say thank you to everyone who was part of this great online community. Our English videos have already been viewed over 2 million times, a huge number. Since November 2013, we've been providing valuable video content to show all interested viewers how innovative our structure analysis programs work. So, also in the future, we hope you enjoy our videos as much as we do their creation. Thanks again to every single subscriber out there, to everyone who comments, likes and follows the development of Dlubal software. And of course, to everyone who will join our community in the future. Seeing that you like our videos is motivating us to continue to create quality content that you can use for work or study. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now so you don't miss the future content. See you on the next video, and again, thank you very much.